If you are young, so listen to be very concentrately. This content is just for you. This world made you like a lazy woman to speak a sentence, my time will come, to make yourself happy for some time. Whenever you see some good things, the same sentence repeated to make yourself joyful. Remember, the time is not come, the time runs to lease yours. If a person tells you this time is for enjoyment, no, this time is for success, for promotion, for making good future. Tell to a person, after that I will enjoy in my own opinion. If there is no success in a thing, in a job, no need to stay more with that. Go away and start something from the core of the heart to be succeed. My time will come. This sentence has been cheating you for a long time. Really, you are cheating with your nature, with your own blood. You are stronger, you are younger. You have time, you have opportunity. If you wanna get the biggest impossibility you can make possible. If you don't believe, search the success people. They have same body parts which you have. They think smart, they really constant. They think smart, they really constant. They are honest with own business. They have same body parts which you have, but they use them in correct way. They never speak a sentence, wake me up. They wake up others. This is a great example for you. And challenge yourself and learn. Keep going and learning. If a person has desire to be learned without any challenge, it is impossible. Wishing to complete a great success in saving yourself from beating in the way of success, never be achieve the goals. Remember one thing, get aside the winning and losing. Keep learning, keep learning. Don't care about winning and losing. Care about learning, how much you learn, how much you understood so far, how much you understood others, how much you help the needy ones. It's called life, it's called winning, it's called learning. Get a chance to your new ideas to change the change mind. Oh man, heal those ideas which have been disorganizing you. I know these are strange ideas. Respect the strange ideas, because your mind producing means this is the sign of intellectual creativity. How much intelligent you are. You are not known yourself yet. And many peoples around the world doing the hard work means a person who hard works, not a poor. They can manage everything and settle everywhere. Be hard worker, and I wanna share one of the example. Right and wrong way. The wrong way does not mean it is wrong for everyone, and the right way does not mean it is right for everyone. What is happening around you, don't care. Try to focus on your own business.